Now available at McCarthy Castle 2014 Audi A3 1.6 TDI turbo diesel in metallic scuba blue finish with a 16-inch of Audi alloy wheels. All 4 alloy wheels in good condition, and the bodywork is in fantastic condition of this vehicle. It's driving very good. So this is the size of the boot. It's got split folding rear seats. The front view of the vehicle. It's got a front forks and a headlamp washers. The interior is a velour interior in black color. It's got some blue in the middle. I'm not sure if the camera can catch the color. It's got 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. On the door it's got the electric windows and 40 mirrors. It is a 6-speed manual and it's done only 26,000 miles on the clock. So I just find out, unfortunately it doesn't have 40 mirrors. It's got electric mirrors. It's got power and steering wheel, multifunctional steering wheel with the voice commands on the right hand side. It's got Bluetooth connectivity and a BT audio, which allows you to stream your music directly from your phone without using any cables. There you go. It's got a center armrest and the Audi multi-interface in it. It's got air conditioning with a climate control. Start and stop function. Navigation prep, which is not enabled yet. DAB radio. The vehicle is in fantastic condition, and I'm sure the first will see will buy. This was the quick overview of the Audi A3 2014. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.